Farming today has advanced, and the public's putting so much pressure on us to produce wholesome, good food. I turned the pumps on today. There isn't a farmer across Western Canada that doesn't wish he has irrigation land, as we're in the third year of drought. You lose that water availability that's so dependent on either side of the river. That is devastation.
These irrigators are producing extremely valuable crops. And so to understand those issues in real time, it's just critical. As soon as we hear something or we talk to somebody, we go directly and address the problem. I'd be traveling up and down the 1,100 kilometers of pipeline, meeting with landowners, meeting with agents, understanding the impacts of the irrigators in the area, and basically sculpting the project so we curb around their harvesting, their seeding, their spraying timelines, and make sure their lives weren't impacted in the whole scheme of things.
We feel safe with it, I think it's looked after real good.
They usually clear everything with us before they do anything, and that's much appreciated.
And the same thing walking across the land. We pretty well know who's walking the right of way, but it is nice to know that Jews are out there checking things, and we appreciate that.
They said, Ken, can we identify all the landowners that are irrigating, identify the crops, and find out if they're done irrigating for the year? We're starting construction. We won't do the directional drill until the water is not needed anymore. When I saw Enbridge recognize that and respect that, you can do a lot to me now. I'll never forget it.
With a big project like this, the number one priority was that we communicate, and we communicate early. I think that humility is such an important part of the process, that openness, that willing to listen and learn. Everyone plays a part in making sure that not only do we listen to stakeholders in Indigenous communities, but we respond. It's not just a one-way street, that it's a dialogue, and we both learn.
A word that we use a lot is respect. It's looking people in the eye and understanding those issues are real and they're heartfelt. The personal touch or the personal element of these communications makes it real. You want to leave with a lasting impression. It's that human contact that makes a project like this succeed.
Enbridge showed a way of listening and working with the landowners. It's become community involvement and history. They will welcome another pipeline project anytime down the road, and as a pipeline landowner now, understanding and going through 11, 12 years of the progress, but I can say now, I can be proud to be a pipeline landowner today.